What's up, YouTube? Hope everybody's doing okay. So I wanted to introduce everybody to another project of mine, my Vitacci XMT250. So it's a China bike. I've gone to the dealership to buy a couple of different motorcycles. I went to buy a Speed 400, and then I went to purchase a what was it? A Honda, I think it's CB 150R. I just really don't like how the dealerships keep marking up things. You know, if I spend $5 grand or five some grand and I want to pay my taxes and everything, I want to come out six something and I'm done. But they want to mark things up to like 8,000, 9,000, and personally, I'm not that vested, and I don't think a bike should cost that much. It should be affordable transportation. So I just have a different mindset and approach to the sport than some others, I guess. But it is what it is. So I just want to introduce you guys to this little project. I ordered it from Texas Powersports, the same place I got my Lifan from, but except a different branch or a different office. They're all kind of like sister companies. The service was much better at this location. The vehicle, it came in better condition than the other location, and even when I called the other location, they fibbed about having certain colors in stock. So anyway, it came in a box, and I didn't film before I got it out of the box, but I'll go ahead and start the video from removing the box, and then where I'm faced with the actual framing or crate, metal crate framing that it was in. So I thought better of taking my bike apart before I filmed a little bit more, because I wanted to show how it arrived. I'm in the middle of taking the cage loose right now, so I'm not going to go all the way through it. You guys have seen it before, but I'm just going to disassemble the cage area and then start assembling it. Okay, so it took about 20 minutes to get to this point. This power tool, which has been in my closet about a year, happened to have the socket already on it. 10 millimeter is what it took to take the top of that cage off. So it's about a 20-minute job if you have a power tool, much longer if you do not. And so this is kind of how it's packaged. I think they do a pretty good job. I'll let you guys know how the assembly goes. Now I want to share the actual metal crate is actually pretty neat, and I kind of regret not keeping it because it breaks completely down to pieces, and it's actually cool, and you could reuse it for something else. But anyway, I do want to say, if you have a jack for the bike, you can do it by yourself. If you do not have a jack or something to put the bike up on, I suggest you not do it by yourself, because I have an injury, and so I really struggled with lifting the bike to put all those components inside of the front wheel, and so it was very difficult. So what I had to do is something that a lot of people would cringe at. I had to lay the bike on its side, but I had to do it with something underneath it so it wasn't flat, and that the spokes were up in the air. It was very hard to still align them and get all those parts up in there properly, so it was not conducive. And my jack stands were in the mail and a few days away, so, and I didn't want to wait. I was being impatient, so I laid it on its side. I didn't get any damage or anything, thank goodness. But so I just want to let you know, if you're doing it by yourself, you can, if you have something to jack it up with or something to prop the bike on, not a problem. But if you don't, I would not suggest doing it by yourself. Just go ahead and have somebody help you. Thank you for watching the video, guys. If you need more details or anything about the assembly process, just put your comments below and I'll try to help everybody. There is one good assembly video on the internet, so but they do it pretty quickly. But if you need to know more details about what size tools and stuff like that. I'll try to help you guys with that in the comments. And also I want to say that as soon as I put it together, I took it right back apart, because even my vehicles, like cars, I cannot do stickers or names on it. So I immediately took the bike right back apart and removed all of those stickers because I couldn't stand it. In the process, I ended up changing the colors. So I'm going to post another video pretty soon because I'm already done with it. I just have to put it back together, and I'll share that with you guys also as soon as I get it done. Leave your comments below and I'll try to help everybody out.